The Pocket 3 had a pretty major update recently. This is just a testament to the fact that DJI believes in this product and that the camera still has plenty of life left in it. I really love when a company supports their tech and continues to surprise users with new updates. First up, added medium tele mode. In video, tap the icon at the bottom of the screen to enable a 2x magnified mid-telephoto mode, equivalent to 40mm, while maintaining 4K and minimal quality loss. Medium tele mode significantly enhances image resolution, preserving more texture details versus the digital zoom. Keep in mind, in medium tele mode, max ISO is 1600. Active track and D-Log-M are also not supported. Added breathing compensation feature. When enabled, the camera corrects changes in the field of view caused by shifts in focus distance during recording, optimizing the visual experience. You'll see the subtle difference in the comparison here. There's a slight crop when enabled, but much less change when focusing on the object in the foreground than focusing on the background. Added D-Log-M 10-bit color option in webcam mode. So don't forget, you can use the Pocket 3 as a webcam. You can even enable active track in this mode. Also updated the DJI Mimo app to support background downloading and allow you to take video screenshots as static or live photos. And they fixed some minor bugs. Time for some accessorizing. Beginning with the Amazear slim protective case. The original protective case, while really good, isn't compatible with most cages. So I got this for around $15 to be able to leave a cage on the Pocket and protect it. If you're familiar with SmallRig, they make a lot of really nice sturdy metal cages for various camera brands. The company recently released a mini cage for the Pocket 3. The main features here are the two-pronged mount compatible with a lot of action cam accessories, the cold shoe mount, and the two 1/4" 20 holes. The two-pronged mount is probably better for mounting it to your chest or other less actively moved locations. Now this thing's pretty neat. This is the K&F Magnetic Mount stand. It's cool, but a little bulky. It lets the Pocket stand firmly on flat surfaces, but more importantly, it lets you mount it to metal things for interesting angles. Probably my favorite tiny accessory for the Pocket is the K&F charging adapter folding base. It plugs firmly into the bottom of the naked Pocket and widens the base so you can stand it up. There is a 1/4" 20 hole in the bottom in case you need extra stability and want to attach the mini tripod that comes with the Creator combo. It also includes a USB-C port aimed out instead of down for charging while shooting, as well as a foldable two-prong mount that aims down. This is great if, for example, you also bought the full Osmo Action 5 kit and have that nifty pole which fits this mount. Suddenly, you have a simple and slim fit option for faking drone moves. All you have to do is set the gimbal to the tilt locked option and make your move. You can also set the focus mode to single or even use active track to stay locked onto a specific subject while doing this. These are currently my favorite accessories for regular Pocket use. Let me know if you found any cool ones in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you real soon.